Welcome, folks. Good evening. So, we are on British pound chart here on weekly chart. So, we can see what price have been doing in the weekly chart time frame. Yeah, we have a low here that have been taken. Monthly low. Yeah, see our monthly low here. This low here. This says side liquidity. We have been taking it. So, it's a liquidity. We swap it. So, price is likely to go and seek for opposing liquidity, that's buy side liquidity resting above price. So coming week, we are anticipating price trading long. Yeah, this is where we stop trading on Friday. This line, this price line here. So Friday. Yeah, we stop trading on Friday. Let's go to here is on weekly chart. Yeah, on weekly charts. We have our volume imbalance on the weekly time frame. We like to see price deliver and fill it up into this weekly volume imbalance between this candle low and this candle high. The gap there is a volume imbalance. You can measure it out with your Fibonacci to get a 50% between this candle low and this candle high. The body, where the body stop, where the body open. So you are measuring from where the body of this candle close, open of this candle body here, not the wick, the body where it stop and the body where it's open. So you can see it well. This candle 21st February and this candle 21st February. So to measure out the 50%, you use your Fibonacci. Here is your Fibonacci Feb retracement. You anchor from the low to the high where the body stop. The blue line is our 50%. The red line is our 75% level, while the black one is our 25% level. You can see where price traded last week, reaching forth at the 75% level. So coming week, we like to see price reach forth at the consequent encroachment, which is the 50%, and fill this gap here. You measure it, this is how you annotate it. You place it exactly at the 50%, it will match. Same thing you do with the 25% level. All these levels, you have to annotate it to see how price is going to react on them when they get to those levels. They all stand as a major resistance or support level. All those levels, yeah, they're important too. So here is our 50%, 50% level. Put it at the right side. Here is our 75% level. put it at the right side, the middle. Why this is our 25% level. You can make yours to be bold, but I just prefer 10, the size middle. So this is our 75%, 50%, and 25% level of this volume imbalance, our weekly volume imbalance here. Why here is where we traded on Friday, where we closed last week Friday. Here on weekly chart time frame. So go over to daily. Here in daily chart is, you can see in daily chart here on weekly chart we saw a volume imbalance, a space, a gap. Here on daily chart you can see this is an order block, this is an order block. Okay, already here is a buy side liquidity that have been taken, that have been swept as a buy side liquidity. A buy side liquidity that is swept. You can see it here. Here is our weekly volume imbalance, 50%, 25%, and the 75% level. We traded at the 75% level last week and close here. It's where we close on Friday. Watch the candle. That's Friday, 20th September. Friday candle. We open here. It's a bullish candle. Bullish opens below and close above. So we open, traded below, and went to long, and we reach at this 75%, then close here. This week shows us price reach at this level. The body will tell you the story while the week will do the damage. So this week is showing that we reach at this level here. Price reach at this level. You can see it as all-time high for last week. All-time high for last week. We reach at this level, 75%. And here we close on Friday on daily chart. This our breaker standing as a support level. There is our breaker. This candle here standing as a support level. We have low, high, lower low, then we took off the high. That makes it a breaker. This bullish candle here, this candle, last up close candle is our breaker. So here over here in 4 hour, here in 4 hour, that is daily breaker. Here in 4 hour, you can see where we close on Friday. So our Friday close. Yeah, we close here. At this level, we are seeing the tiny line. That's where we close on Friday. So you can annotate it. Friday close. Where we close on Friday. So coming this week, we like to price to deliver into the 50% and we're reaching forth at the 25% of the weekly volume imbalance. Then we have a set side liquidity here. We like price to take the low before a breakout. Here is a breakout in 4 hours. That is our breaker block. So the low before the breaker, the algo will come and seek for it. Here is the low. It's a sell side liquidity. No other low or bearish candle have trade below it. Sell side liquidity. So the algo will come and seek for it and take the liquidity and sweep the liquidity below. Then free this is a fair value gap. This is a breakaway gap. You can see it's two. We call it breakaway gap. Breakaway gaps. It can be reclaimed. So we'll be anticipating price after filling the weekly volume imbalance, reaching forth at the 50% or probably at the 25%. Then we like a reversal because we have taken a liquidity, a buy side liquidity. So the algo will seek for a sell side liquidity, the opposing liquidity. So coming next week, we'll be anticipating price filling the weekly volume imbalance. Then we like to see a run to take the sell side liquidity here, then free this inefficiency fair value gap. Here we had a breaker. There is a breaker. So that created a fair value gap. So we like to price to come and redeliver. Then we will continue trading long. British pound is, I think, is going long. It's going long towards the end of the year. So we'll be expecting bullish on British pound. But we like to see this sell side here taking. Like to see this sell side taking coming week. Yeah, 4 hour time frame. Okay. Here is a sell side. Here is a fair value gap, a breakaway gap between here. Yeah. It's a breakaway gap. Breakaway gap. So coming week, we are expecting price come and we deliver and fill it up. Over here in 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. We have a little fair value gap here. You can see it. There's a small fair value gap there between this candle here high and this bearish candle low. There is a small, let me increase the screen, between the low and this high, between this candle high and this candle, the bearish candle low. There is a gap there. That's fair value gap. Very busy. Call it BC, fair value gap. So we are expecting the fair value gap to stand as a support level, then pushing price reaching forth at the 50% of the weekly volume imbalance, then at the 25% level too, before we could anticipate a reversal to come and take this low here, this 4 hours SI liquidity, and fill this breakaway gap in 4 hour. So we wait for price to open coming week. Then you prepare your mind for intense learning. And make sure you journal. Okay, prepare yourself and keep practicing. Keep practicing. Show up for yourself. You do it for yourself. Your trading is your religion. You spend time on it. You sacrifice on it. You believe in it. It's what you believe that works for you, man. It's what you believe that is your belief system. So you have a wonderful evening and take care. Be safe, folks.